This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom desktop background image in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To add a custom background image to your desktop, the way to do that in Windows 10, you want to go to an empty area on your desktop screen. You want to right-click. Then you want to go up to where it says Personalize. Click on Personalize. In the little dialog box that opens up here, I am on the first tab, Background. And right up here it shows you what you currently have as your background image right up here. If you scroll down a little ways, you can see I have my background set to Picture. And I have Choose a Fit set to Fill. Now you could choose between one of these images here, or you could add your own custom image. The way you do that, there's a Browse button right here. Click on Browse. That'll open up another little dialog box here, and within this dialog box you would find the image that you want to use on your device. Say that I wanted to use this image right here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Choose Picture. I'm going to close that up. And there you have it. That is how to add your own custom background image in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.